Hey you, yeah you want to save some money? Then you need to come watch this video with me. Today on Octavia Beauty, we're going to be doing an anti-haul, and I'm so excited for this anti-haul. So this is going to save you some money, it's going to save me some money. We're going to go over the products that we are not going to waste our money over. So let's get into an anti-haul. Okay guys, I am doing this video in honor of Miss Alexis Biana. She was on YouTube a while ago, and then she like shut down her YouTube for like a whole year. Now she's back, but she was one of the people who really inspired me to start my channel. And to me, she is the queen of anti-hauls. Okay, she's the queen of anti-hauls. Now I'm not saying she started anti-hauls or it's just like her jam, but I just really enjoy her anti-hauls. They definitely inspire you. She has a very budget friendly channel over there. She definitely inspires you to save money and not spend money. And she does the things, she tells you the things that brands don't want to tell you. These brands don't want us telling you not to buy these products. If you mess around and say the wrong thing about a brand, you may not get PR, or no brand may not work with you. So it's definitely a risk speaking the truth, and she definitely speaks her truth over there. She definitely does anti-haul. She's not buying pointless, senseless products and like making you think it's great and making you to buy it. So in my opinion, here we are going, my anti-haul is just going to be focused on makeup that I don't want to purchase for one reason or the other. We're going to go over the product. Hopefully we can see the price of the product, and we're just going to say like, no, I'm going to skip out on this product for this reason or that reason. And yeah, so let's get into this anti-haul. So our first product is going to be these Too Faced Love Flush blushes. They're coming out 1 2 3 4 5 shades. California Love, Crazy in Love, Greatest Love of All, no Love Yourself, No Ordinary Love. The prices of these blushes are not listed. I don't see them as of right now. They might be on Too Faced's website, but to me they just don't, I don't know, they look pretty. Like they look like there are some beautiful blushes, but I have blushes that are already these colors. Some of them just doesn't look like they will work for my skin tone. All of these blushes don't look like they would be flattering on my skin tone, that they were made for me. So I would like a little bit more inclusive shades. But however, you know, I have a lot of blushes that are flattering on my skin tone that I love already. So I'm just not in the market to buy blushes from anywhere right now. I'm not buying blushes. I'm not in the market and buying blushes. So, but I feel like Too Faced does have, you know, really good formulas. I feel like those blushes are going to work, but I'm just not in the market to buy blushes. So that's just that on that. We're going to move on down to the Juvia's Place bronze collection. And Juvia's Place is very affordable. You can purchase Juvia's Place on Juvia's Place website and also at Ulta. But when they first advertised this, I thought that bronze palette was going to be a lot bigger. I thought it was a full-size palette. It's a little mini palette with some colors that I already have in my collection. They also have bronze duo bronzers, bronze lip gloss, bronze mini lipsticks are $10. So the palette is $14. It comes with 6 shades. The duo bronzers are $18. The bronze lip gloss are $13 each, and the bronze mini liquid lip is $10, and the bronze lip liner is $10. I definitely don't need no more lipsticks. I got enough of lipsticks. I'm good on lip liners. I don't need any more bronzers, and that palette just looks like shades that I already have in this collection. Like I have these shades already in my collection, so I don't see a need to go purchase that palette. If you don't have, I think Juvia's Place palettes have very good formula, and if you don't have nothing similar to this in your collection, I think it's gonna work great for you. But for me, it's gonna be a save a coin. Y'all got you are an OG to Octavia Beauty when she was out. The channel was called Polished Beauty, and I used to do these videos, save a coin or spend a coin, and I think we're about to bring them back. I love it. I used to be like, yo, we saving the coin and we spend the coin, because if you're not, a coin not spent is a coin saved. And so that's how we looked at our money. Well, we gonna spend it or we're gonna save it. And And that's just how we looked at it. So next we have a new Morphe collection by Coca-Cola. It's Morphe and Coca-Cola collab. Now this Morphe palette looks beautiful. I love that it has some deep and some light tones. It looks like it's very inclusive for all skin tones. You got the lights, the deeps, the medium browns. I love that. And then they also got some pops of color. I think that palette is very beautiful. But however, I'm not in the market for it. So the palette is $22. They have a mini lip gloss set that's $19. A limited edition Make It Big volumizing mascara. That's $12. I don't need no mascaras. I have so many mascaras. There's backups on backups on backups that's in that drawer. Some came from BoxyCharm. Some I bought on my own. So I'm trying to work through a lot of the products that I over purchased a lot of stuff. So and my thing now is just trying to go through and use the makeup and use the products that I have in my collection. And that's just what I'm doing. Even eyelashes. I have like a drawer full of eyelashes. So I'm not in the market to buy a lot of stuff. So this is going to make this anti-haul very easy for me. Absolutely very, very easy for me. These Fenty concealers. Now these Fenty concealers. Okay, this is supposed to be an anti-haul, but however, I am in the market for a lightweight concealer because we have all of these moisturizers, all of these skin tints, and you know, I'm going through my stuff and I'm like, dang, you know, I have these lightweight foundations, these skin tints, these BB creams, these CC creams, or whatever, but I realized like I don't have a light concealer. All of my concealers was like full coverage, so I put my concealer on and it's like thick, and then I'm putting on a skin tint and it didn't look right. So then that left me with wearing, you know, just a tinted moisturizer or just a skin tint on its own. So I'm definitely very interested in Fenty's new concealers. They are $25 each. They are not in 80 shades. They are in 16 shades. They are supposed to be for your under eye. It's gonna brighten, hydrates, and conceals. Deliver a fast, neutral, no makeup effect. You guys know on those days you want to be like no makeup but makeup. So you want your skin to look like your skin, but you want it to look a little bit better than your normal skin would be. And so these are the effects that these concealers are supposed to be. They're supposed to be sheer, stability coverage. So I mean they're going to be very, very light coverage. They're going to go with those tinted moisturizers and those skin tints and those and all of those very light coverage type things. And so that they come out on May 7th. So they're probably going to be already out before you guys see this video. I don't know, but I'm definitely going to be purchasing that. So yeah. ColourPop came out with their, I think these products are already out, their blush quads. They're very all-inclusive, and I think they're beautiful. They have some very beautiful colors. They have light skin tones to medium skin tones to deep skin tones, and I love the inclusivity in it. They are very much priced at $12 each, which are very, very affordable. And so yeah, if I was in the market, and you can also use these blushes on your eyeshadows, like this really deep one with those deep purples or those deep plum burgundy type shades, that one looks really nice to me. Like I could do a very good, beautiful eyeshadow look with that. So but however, I told you guys I'm not in the market for blushes, so I'm not going to be picking these up, maybe at a later date. But right now I'm not in the market for blushes, so yeah, I won't be picking. But I definitely don't have the last deep set. I don't have anything like that as far as the shades of those burgundies in my collection. Now that brown and that gold I probably have, but those two deep ones I don't think I have that. I want that, but I'm not going to buy that because I'm not in the market for any blushes. Stick to my word. So our next product is going to be the Pat McGrath Divine Blush Collection. These blushes, to me, they look very, very mesmerizing. They look very, very beautiful. They do look very inclusive. I do see shades from light to deep. Skin tones can wear. They look very, very nice. So Pat has 9 vivid colors. She's also coming out with, looks like a quad and some lip sets and a lip pencils. So you know, it's cute, it's nice, it looks really good. There's no price tag on it. Those blushes look very nice. Ain't gonna lie, they look very nice. They look very beautiful. They look very gorgeous. But however, I'm not in the market for any new blushes. If there's a blush that come out later on, I may get it, you guys. But I have so many blushes, and you know, we barely use like blushes and highlighters and, you know, bronzer. You know, you don't use a lot of that product when you use it. You know, foundation you may use a little bit more of, but like certain products you just don't go through that much. You just don't. So, you know, I think it's beautiful. She doesn't have a price on here, but you know, it's Auntie Pat, so it's gonna be expensive either way. Either way. But they're beautiful. I love the shade ranges of them. I think she has there something for everybody. But however, it's a save a coin for me, and it's probably, I think it's save a coin for a few of you guys have already answered it. If you don't follow me on my YouTube, make sure on my on my Instagram, make sure you follow me. I sometimes post, you know, new products that's coming out of there, stuff that I'm interested in. So you're really missing a lot of stuff. I post regular makeup videos days where I just do my makeup for whatever and I don't film it. I post those looks on there, so you get a lot of vacation pictures. Just a lot of a different look, really a more in-depth look in my life when you follow me on my Instagram, because you guys get to see like just normal stuff that's just not YouTube on my Instagram. So I'm just looking. Okay, so Morphe came out with a new 35D Desert Rose palette, Desert Bouquet Artistry palette. And this palette is $26, you guys. And I'm going to be honest with you, I already purchased this palette. I'm going to be doing a live with this with Cassandra Jones. So if you guys need to either watch my channel, watch the live, this video is going to definitely be up after the live. So if you haven't seen that, you need to watch the live. So we're going to be creating some makeup looks with this palette. I think this palette was very beautiful. The reason why we chose this palette, because, you know, it was affordable. It was $26. It had some greens, some pinks, some deep. The shade ranges was nice. It was just a beautiful palette, and we think that we could create a beautiful look with this. So, you know, it's affordable. So affordable is the key word. It was only 26 bucks, so why not give it a chance? And I haven't used it, and I can't wait to use it. So if you haven't watched that live, watch that live so you can see what we think about this palette, okay? 26 bucks. I got mine from Ulta. Jlo Beauty dietary supplement. Pass. I don't like taking medicine. I don't like taking, most of the time you don't even need those. The nurse in me is about to come out. Most of the times your body don't even need all that stuff. Too much of anything is not that great. But if you feel like your body needs it, if you went to your doctor and he recommended that you take this, if your doctor has recommended you to take supplements and for you to take those types of things, you should take them. But if you haven't gotten recommendation from your doctors and you just feel like, oh, I want to take this because such and such, take this, I guarantee such and such is talking to their physician. And they got recommendations. So next we have is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Looks like their face palettes. It's a trio that has, looks like a, I want to say a blush, a bronzer. I hope that's a face powder. Oh, it's a highlighter. Well, child, I was hoping that was a face powder. It's a highlighter. This is a sample coin for me. I mean, they did try to be inclusive. They had a light, a medium, and a deep one. But however, I don't, every face palette that I own, I have my Hourglass face palettes. The only face palettes that I reach for. The last face palette I bought was a NARS one. I don't use it. I regret purchasing it. I don't need any blushes, bronzers, or highlighters. So this is a save a coin for me because I don't need any of those products. But I don't know. I've never used a blush from Anastasia, or I think I did have a bronzer from Anastasia. I like that bronzer I had from them. So I'm not gonna say, I can't say to like if it would work or if it wouldn't work, because I haven't tried it. But it's definitely a safer coin for me. Like I said, I'm not in the market for any blushes, any bronzers, or any highlighters. I have so much of products. So unless like extraordinary something just comes out and I just got to have it, I'm gonna be passing on all those products, you guys. I'm trying to save my coin, and I am trying to use the products that I already have in my collection that I spent my coins on. I feel like my coins are just, my time is just better spent just using this product that I have. And if I find out I don't like it or I don't want to use it, it doesn't bring me joy, then I should get rid of it. So yeah, only use the products that are bringing you joy. Dior has a new powder out. Looks like a face powder. It is $40. It's a long wear, maintain skin, natural hydration. It definitely is inclusive. They have 4 shades. To me, it looks inclusive, but I feel like that deep can go a little bit more deeper. Ain't in the market for no face powders. I got Charlotte Tilbury, Sephora, MAC, Too Faced, Born This Way. I got a Urban Decay one. I got a lot of compact face powders over there in my collection that I haven't even hit pan on. So yeah, I'm not in the market for a new one. You guys, I'm gonna stop the video there. We're gonna go into conclusion. So I hope this video helped you guys save some coins, maybe help you guys weed through some products that you don't want. I get all my products off of Instagram from Trend Mood's account. So if you don't follow Trend Mood, she comes out with all of the new hot and popping makeup. Okay, everything that's coming out is gonna probably be on her page first. Most likely, not all the time. It's not always on her page first, but most times it's on her page before it's released. So yeah, so that's it. You know, this video was just to help you guys save some coins, help myself save some coins, have a little fun, and you know, just go back to like one of the videos that I used to enjoy. I used to enjoy doing these videos so much, but you know, I didn't get a lot of views on them, so I stopped doing them because the editing for these videos is a lot to put in those pictures. But however, you know, like this video, subscribe, hit the share button, comment. Let me know if you're gonna be picking up any of these products that I passed on. And yeah, let's just do it like that. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.